Hi guys, I'm Jia and welcome again to my channel. So in this video I was showing a easy and budget friendly DIY. So let's start the video. So for first I'm taking a drawing of Eiffel Tower. It's a simple drawing. Now take a cardboard sheet and draw the Eiffel Tower on the cardboard sheet by using a pencil. Just draw the outline of the Eiffel Tower from the sides and see it is done. Now simply cut out the Eiffel Tower from the cardboard. Now I have made another 3 of the same size and the shape. Now take 2 of them attach from their sides and stick them with using a paper tape. Paste it properly and carefully. Now I'm taking another piece and similarly I paste it using a paper tape. And taking last piece of the Eiffel Tower and similarly attach it with using a paper tape. I am putting tape in everywhere so it gives strength to the tower from the top and the bottom also. See, it is almost done. Now take a sheet of paper and cut out the random pieces of medium size. From this, I will stick it on the Eiffel Tower using glue. It will give the tower strength because the tape I was putting was not that much strong. So I have decided to paste this paper. After this, I am painting the Eiffel Tower using acrylic color. Here I am using pink color. You can use of a choice. Just paint the tower from both the sides. Remember not to paint the Eiffel Tower from the bottom. And let it dry for some time. Next, I am taking a sheet of paper and draw a circle on that and cut out the circle from the sheet. See, now draw a line of circle on the sheet. And simply cut also. And it's done. Now roll from the first side and put the glue on the last side and stick it, and it will form the shape of a flower like this. Now I'm taking another paper of other color Same thing, I'm rolling it and put the glue on the last side and stick it. See, it is very easy to form. Now I have made other also. Now the tower which I painted earlier was dry completely. Now put the glue on the tower and stick the flower which I had made. Put all the flowers on the tower and cover it properly. And finally it is formed and it looks so beautiful. The flower I pasted, it gives the tower amazing look. I put the flower on the top also. And the material I use in the tower can be available in any stationery shop. And see, I put it as a showpiece. You can also put this on your study table. It looks so fabulous. So that's all about the video, and I really like how it is turned out and it's looking so nice. I will keep on my study table. So if you like my video, so please give a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And see you in the next video. So bye bye, keep shining.